1996 Chevy 1500. He custom made it into a short bed. It was a long bed. He's like, I don't want a long bed. I want a short bed. That's what he did. Then he brought it to us. And what we did, I'll show you guys, is true dual from the factory. 2 high flow cats on it, there and there. Then what we did is put 2 CARVEN R's. Part number right here. As you guys can see, CARVEN R. 2.5 in, 2.5 out. We had to slim them down a little bit to make them fit. We made it work, it's okay. Then we crossed them over to make it look nice and cool and just different. And that's the only way it would actually fit. So whatever works, right? And as you guys can see, 2.5 there. Then he brought his own tips. They're the CARVEN exhaust CD1002-PO5665. They're for the Dodge Charger. They're the 5-inch tips right there. This is what they look like from the outside. Beefy. I like it. I always like beef with my meat. Anyways, or whatever. I don't know. Just coming up with some random crap today. Anyways, just ignore me, guys. I'm out of it today. But we stacked them, staggered them. Go with the body line. They look really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. They fit the truck. He's going to get it painted next. It's a work in progress. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and
subscribe.
All right, man. Go ahead. Show us. Ooh. Wow. That does not sound bad at all. That is a beast. Wow. You guys gotta admit that sounds really nice. Again? That sounds mean. Hear your sound decibels? Go ahead. 111. Woo-hoo. Guys, we want to tell him we appreciate his service. Always thank him when you can. Wow. I like it. Paint shop next. What you guys hear on the inside? That sounds so good. Oh yeah! That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.